Hello. Today, I want to tell you about my childhood. It was a happy time, and I have many good memories. Let me share my story with you. I was born in a small town. When I was a child, I lived with my parents and my older brother. Our house was small, but very cozy. We had a big garden with flowers and trees. I loved playing outside. When I was little, I liked riding my bike around the neighborhood. My brother and I would play hide and seek with our friends. We laughed a lot and had so much fun. I also loved going to school. My favourite teacher was Miss Linda. She was very kind and always helped me with my homework. My favourite subject was art because I liked drawing and colouring pictures. On weekends, my family would go to the park. We would have a picnic and play together. My mum made sandwiches and my dad brought juice. I remember feeling so happy during those times. I had a small dog named Max. He was my best friend. Max followed me everywhere and we played together every day. I miss him so much. My childhood was simple, but it was full of love and joy. I will never forget those days. Thank you for listening to my story about my childhood. Do you have a favourite childhood memory? I hope you enjoyed my story. See you next time.